Could you imagine a world where artificial intelligence surpasses human capabilities? A world where machines not only learn from us, but also adapt to us and make decisions on our behalf. This is not a scene from a science fiction novel, but a reality we are inching towards. Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence, in its simplest form, is a computer system's ability to mimic human intelligence. It's about creating machines that can reason, learn, perceive, and process natural language. But the question that tickles our mind is this a blessing or a curse for future generations? Let's delve into the advantages of artificial intelligence first. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to handle monotonous tasks efficiently and accurately. It's like having an assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, and never complains. AI can process large volumes of data at an incredible speed, providing valuable insights that humans might overlook. Moreover, AI has the potential to revolutionize sectors like healthcare, where it can predict diseases before they occur, or in education, where it can offer personalized learning paths. It's also transforming the way businesses operate, making them more efficient, reducing costs and enabling better customer experiences. But every coin has two sides. The rise of AI also brings some concerns. Foremost is the fear of job loss. With AI handling repetitive tasks, certain jobs are at risk of becoming obsolete. Moreover, while AI can process and analyze data swiftly, it lacks the human touch. It can't replicate our emotions or understand the nuances of human interaction. Furthermore, there's the risk of AI systems being used maliciously. Imagine a scenario where an AI system is hacked and used for nefarious purposes. The repercussions could be devastating. And then there's the question of ethics and privacy. How do we ensure that AI systems respect human values and rights? To summarize, artificial intelligence is a double-edged sword. On one side, it offers enormous potential to transform our lives, making us more efficient and informed. On the other hand, it presents significant challenges related to job security, ethics, and privacy. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept. It's here, evolving and growing every day. As we move forward, it's crucial to strike a balance. We must harness the power of AI, but also set boundaries to ensure it serves humanity without causing harm. In this era of rapid technological advancement, it's not about replacing humans with AI, but partnering with AI. It's about coexistence. The future might hold a world where humans and AI work hand in hand, each amplifying the other's strengths. So as we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, it's worth pondering. Are we ready to embrace this change? How will we ensure that the rise of artificial intelligence leads to a rise in human prosperity and not a fall? The answers lie in our hands, or perhaps in the hands of the AI we create.